Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Lola and welcome to Skincare Sunday. Hi, please side note and disclaimer, I am not a skincare consultant. I'm not a dermatologist. I'm just sharing views on products I have used and I think you should try it out if you are a self-dermatologist kind of thing, because yeah, just basically me sharing my practices my practice with you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a toner that I have spent, do you know how many years you guys have spent to look for this toner? 2 years or 3, 2 or 3, I can't remember. And that toner is the Dr. Rashel VC Niacinamide Brightening Essential Toner. This. You guys, I've spent like 2 years of my life looking for this toner. I'm not exaggerating. So the first place I saw this toner, I don't remember I don't think it was this exact one. I think it was the hyaluronic acid one. That's the blue one. So the first place I saw this toner was in Moyake's channel. Moyake's channel. And I think she was sharing us our skincare routine then. And I'm like, I think she got this then like 2,500 or 3,000. Very affordable. And so I just thought that, I need to look for this. I think that was in 2021 or 2020. That time I had not started my YouTube channel. And since then I've been on the hunt for this. Oh, that's the quick storyline. And now I have seen it. I did see the hyaluronic acid. I did see the collagen one. And I just decided to go for the vitamin C and niacinamide because I'm such a huge big fan of niacinamide. I should try out others. I will try out others, and I'm also a big fan of vitamin C because it helps with brightening. So let's just go through the bottle and I'll continue my story. So this is Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Niacinamide and Brightening Essential Toner. Brightens an even skin tone, fades acne scars, helps achieve brighter skin and a radiant glow. Benefits. I don't think I want to read the benefits. Direction: after facial cleansing, apply a proper amount to your face and gently pat for absorption. Can be used on a daily basis every morning and evening for external use. Obviously, why will you put it inside you? So basically, this is the Dr. Rashel toner. How I use it. Okay, let's first go with the thickness. I don't know if this video can justify the thickness. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Yeah. Are you seeing how thick it is? I don't know if this video is justifying how thick it is, but when I got this initially, I used to use it with a cotton pad. Yeah, I used to use it with a cotton pad, but I then found out that it was working, but I felt like I was wasting a lot of the product on the cotton pad rather than on my face directly. And me pouring it on a cotton pad, I felt like I was using it more as a cleanser rather than a toner. So now I just put on my hands and just pat on my face and so how do I use this? I use this mainly in the morning because in the night I use this retinol serum. I use a retinol serum, and if you use retinol, you would know that you cannot use retinol and vitamin C. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. I saw it online. I saw it on different skin pages and just decided, because if you want to use a product, if you want to combine your product, you need to make your research. So when I was making my research, I found out that you can't use vitamin C and retinol together as they are not compatible with one another. So I just use this in the morning since I use my retinol at night, because it was also advisable to use retinol at night. This is not a retinol video, but let's just hop straight in it. So what I do is in the morning I use my Dudu to wash my face. Yes, and Dudu can be drying. Agreed. That is where this comes in. Have you seen the thickness of this thing? It is thick, so it hydrates my face. So once I come out from the shower after using my Dudu, let's show you guys. I just pour onto my hands, like so. I do this, a reasonable amount, you guys. And I just pat it into my skin. I've used this morning. I'm just showing you guys it. I just pat it into my skin. You see the hydration? See my hands? So like I'm directly putting the product on my face rather than soaking a cotton pad first and just putting it and turning it into a cream. So I just do this. Yeah. I let it in and I go in with my moisturizer. I don't use serums in the night. Yeah, I don't use serums in the morning. So basically I just, because my sunscreen is thick, so I just basically do this and I just use my moisturizer and my sunscreen, and that is all. I like the fact that this is also a vitamin. This is vitamin C, yeah. So like when I go onto the sun, it actually helps. It helps me, yeah. I mean, see the hydration just right now, and it helps because I use Doodles and Doodles can be dry, yeah. So this just gives me my hydration back, and it is a really good toner. Did I mention that it's affordable? Did I tell you guys how much I bought it? So I said I saw it on Moyoke's channel, yeah. And as at then, I think she bought it 2,500 or 3,000. I got this for 3,500 at a drugstore in Abuja, like a cosmetic drugstores are cosmetic shops. Because I said drugstore doesn't mean it's a drugstore. So I got this for like 3,500, and I've been using this for more than a month. I still plan to try the other ones, like the collagen one and the hyaluronic acid one, but until then, like this has a very long way to go. I really do like this product. I like the way it works for me. I like the way it sits, it stays, it's absorbed on my skin. I like the way it hydrates me. I like the way it makes me look brighter, makes me look radiant. It gives a radiant glow, like it says, and it actually does. And yeah, basically, this is my toner and I love it so much. That is the Dr. Rashel toner that I am using. I want to go in and buy the Dr. Rashel serum and like try it with it, but I'm still considering it. I don't know, we'll get to that part when it comes. So basically, that's what I do: wash, tone, moisturizer, sunscreen, and I'm good. I'm Gucci for the day, and it's just so good. It's really so good. You guys can see. So if you've used the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C and Niacinamide Brightening Toner, drop that for me in the comment section. Tell me your experience with it. If you are planning to use it and you're looking for a video, because I did try to find a video before buying this Vitamin C one, I didn't really see. So I'm kind of like putting this out there in case someone wants to get it and is having to say, get it. You should totally get it. It's really good. It's a really good product, especially also if you're trying to incorporate vitamin C into your skincare routine. I would suggest it, and it's affordable. 3,500 for this. Maybe I should go and start skincare business. Yeah, you don't need to break the bank because you want to do skincare. So yeah, basically that is it on the toner. And yeah, if you watch me to this stage and you're not subscribed, please kindly subscribe, hit the like button, drop me a comment, and all those fun stuff. So thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you on my next one. Bye.